What's up, everybody? You know I be on y'all about the smoothies, right? So check it. Just, you see it's a mess. I'm working. There's a lot going on. Been making the CMOS. Been doing these videos. Got the smoothies popping. But, you know, Nikki took my first one. And, well, really, this one was hers. Now I'm making mine. All right, but let me show you something. Because I always get, listen, people always talking about, oh, yeah, I can't do smoothies because it's not enough time. All right, put a timer on. Let me show you this. Don't take long. Stop making those excuses. Check it out. Pulling out my stuff right here as we go. Right? Now check it out. Something fell, but that don't matter. Check it. Take my bananas. Put it in the cup. I take me a scoop. Where's my scoop? Take me a scoop of my berries. Today, my particular berries, I'm using a berry blend. Raspberries, blueberries, blackberries. Okay, take my scoop of CMOS, RadarPlusNutrition.com. You know what it is. Get your CMOS, right? All right, take a scoop of CMOS. I take big scoops. This is the Irish CMOS. Get that in there, right? A little bit more won't hurt you. All right, that's it. I got my water. I like all my fruits and stuff. I like it frozen, by the way, because it lasts longer. Plus, it gets a dip. It makes it cold. The smoothie colder. It just works for me. It's the way I like it, right? All right. So I got that. Now, one more thing I'm missing personally. Where is it at? Told you it's hectic up in here. Still keep the timer rolling because still, even with all this, it's still not taking long. All right, I like my pre-workout. I like to put a little bit of caffeine, right? I told you guys I take my Focus Plus in the morning. I take my SBB. I get my extra CMOS, and I like a little bit of extra caffeine sometimes. Right? All right, here we go. That's enough. I don't need to be too hyped because they'll be going crazy all day. We don't need that. It's already what? It's 6 o'clock. But all right, I got enough water in here. Yeah, I got enough water. All right, so this is a new thing. If you've seen the videos, check it out. Been doing these different blender videos and all that, but that's not what we're here for right now. I want to show you it does not take long. Yeah, this is making a mess, but that don't matter. Don't worry about the mess. It don't take long to make a smoothie to get your nutrients in every day. Here we go. That was bad. Kids, don't do that at home. When the thing starts spinning, don't play with it. Don't be like me. Be better. All right, let's go. As you see, it did not. We didn't have to blend it long. Everybody 30 seconds, 2 minutes. Look, this is just a powerful blender. And I'm making a mess. The mess is irrelevant. Look. Put it in there. Put it in there. Get it in that cup. Get it in the cup. Hey, go. That's it. Even with all the antics to playing around, how long did that really take? Now, if you got your on-the-go cup, you take this with you. You put your top on it. And you out the door. What's the problem? So, no more excuses. But I don't have the time. I be forgetting this and that. Listen, if you start your day off or even your afternoon off with a smoothie, you got fruits that you're probably not eating. It's the only time I eat fruits. I don't eat fruits regular. I get my fruits when I'm doing if I'm doing 2 a day, I make a different one. I get my greens in there. Put all the greens and stuff in there. So think about this. You can't take the time to take a couple of minutes to make a smoothie to get some healthy stuff in your body, to get some energy, to get the CMOS in there, get all fortified and packed up and get your nutrients and all that. But you can go somewhere and stand online. You can stand on Chipotle, or you can go, the corner store in the morning, stand online, get your bacon, egg, and cheese and all that, and that's gonna bring your energy down. You know that. Stop playing. You get this in your system every day. At least you start off with something healthy. You start off with your energy right. You start off feeling good. Now, if you combine all this like I do with the SBB formula, with the Focus Plus, yo, you're going to be just hyped like me. Just going to be just doing too much. But that's what you need. You're going to be mentally focused. Your body's going to feel good. Versus you go eat a slice of pizza, you eat a bagel, you just eating all this other bacon, egg, and cheese, all this stuff, you're gonna be sluggish. That's why you don't have no energy. That's why you want to take a nap in the middle of the day. That's why you got the brain fog, you can't focus, you irritated, you're like, just don't want to do nothing. Then when you come home from work, you don't want to do nothing. You're tired, you're stressed out, and then you come home, now you think you got to eat again, so instead of making another smoothie, put some greens and stuff in there like that, you go eat something else that's going to bring your energy down, it's going to make you feel bloated, tired, and now you don't want to do nothing else with the rest of your day. You probably got another 16 hours of the day to get stuff done, but no, now you want to take a nap, you don't want to do nothing, you don't go nowhere, you're irritated. Come on, do a little bit better. It don't take long. I said something to somebody today that made them think. And I actually posted it online. I said, okay, people say they don't have time for certain things. They don't have time to eat healthy. They don't have time for their kids to make their kids eat healthy. You know, you just want to go get burgers and this and that. You want to get cheese, chicken nuggets and all this stuff, right? Think about this. We don't have time for none of that stuff. But let me ask you something. Who tells you that they don't have time when they got to sit in the hospital with somebody? Nobody complains when somebody's sick in the hospital, oh, I don't have time to sit there with you. No, we got to go sit there with them and give them that support. Because now we scared, now we worried. When we got to go to the hospital or the doctor, we find the time because then you only want to do that when you're scared something wrong, right? So to prevent that, put healthy things in your body. You'll be more productive, you'll feel better, you'll think better, and you'll avoid those trips to the hospital, to the doctor. And if you get the people around you to do it, especially if they start seeing the changes in you and they start, you know, doing the same thing, then you ain't sitting in the doctor's office with nobody. You ain't sitting in the ER with somebody. You ain't sitting in that hospital room for 16 hours while they getting all types of stuff done to them because everybody's more healthier. I'm not going to ramble all day, but don't say you don't have time no more because now you see it don't take time to make a smoothie. Cut it out. Salute. Stressing me out.